Do you want to change your card visual from this to this? No problem. So to get this card visual, we need to change our card visual from here to here. So this is a new card visual. We'll click on this card visual, and after that we'll go to the visuals format, and here I have a few options. Here you can change the shape. You can also change the percentage of rounded corners. Then you have the callout values. There you can select your callout values. I will select 14 up here, or likewise, or I will make it like 14, 18, and I can also change the fonts. And then the label, I have label up here. It should be less than what I have in my value. I can also change this, and I can also change the colors, but here I'll not do that. For the card, I have a few options up here, but the options also include the image at the end. So if you click on the image, and up here you can see you can browse the image. I have my downloaded image is up here. I will click on accounting, and then I will just open this image up here. So now it seems a bit weird, so I'll just go up here and put it as a fit, and here the position should be at the left, and here I get my new card visual.